Meanwhile, the Oregon Health Authority is investigating a COVID-19 outbreak at two agricultural facilities, one in Multnomah County and the other in Washington County. Townsend Farms grows, processes, and distributes fruit. And Fox 12's Brenna Kelly joins us now live after learning more in a news conference with state and county health officials in just the last hour regarding these fruit processing facilities. Brenna?
Well, Pete, OHA says this outbreak affects nearly 50 seasonal workers. There's a total of 350 workers who arrived in the Portland area over the weekend to harvest fruit from the Townsend Farms sites in both Fairview and Cornelius. Now, OHA believes the people tested so far were exposed to the virus before coming to Oregon, though they didn't have any information today about where they traveled from or where they originally contracted COVID-19. We're still working to get those answers. Now, right now, health officials are working with Townsend Farms to ensure proper infection control and put safety and health measures in place to protect workers. These are things like separate housing, good hygiene, use of PPE, and education. OHA says the company reports affected workers are sheltering in place and not going out into public. OHA said yesterday there is no indication the outbreaks are a significant risk to surrounding communities. However, Dr. Laura Byerly, the medical director for Virginia Garcia Memorial Health Center in Washington County, said today each person has to be accountable for their own actions in order to stop the spread.
I guess what have we done to keep cruise ship folks from spreading coronavirus to the rest of their communities? It really is, it's hard to keep from spreading. We all have to be careful, and every human has some responsibility in that.
This COVID-19 outbreak, OHA says, is not the first for Townsend Farms, though a Washington County health official says the two aren't connected. OHA confirms another outbreak began April 29th when 53 permanent employees at the Fairview location tested positive for the virus. Complaints about the company go back at least as far as March 26th, according to Oregon Occupational Safety and Health, and appear to refer to the earlier outbreak. In one from May 12th, the anonymous employee writes, there are 30 positive cases of the virus, and social distancing and sanitation aren't performed or maintained. In another from the same day, an employee says, 2 employees tested positive for COVID-19 and were back at work 4 days later. Now, I did reach out to Townsend Farms today, but have not yet heard back. Reporting live in Portland, Brenna Kelly, Fox 12 Oregon.